Welcome back to my channel. I went shopping. I had to get some things for the house, some groceries. I went to the bank, from the bank to buy some things. I'm going to show you some of the things I bought because I saw some skincare products that I feel like I want to try out, and then I'll tell you guys how I feel about it. Let's go.
Almost 2 weeks now. Then as much as the start line, so that kind of thing. 3 children, young girls. They are not up to 30 years old. Imagine. One boy can see when he sees them.
If you want to chop, chop and chop.
Goodness. I love pineapple fruit. Like, pineapple fruit is my best fruit actually. Anything pineapple, lemon, strawberry is my favorite fruit. So I got this Macau pineapple fruit juice, the 2 tissue as usual. Well, I got a couple of that. I got a couple because I still have some. Yeah, so I saw this pad. I bought mop lid for the last one because I watched this Anastasia's video on YouTube. I don't know, I watched her video on YouTube and I picked a little from stuff she bought. So I bought the mop lid pad, and then I bought her Gavia sun block. I like the Gavia sun block, but I didn't like the mop lid because it was too thick and then very soft. too thick and too soft, so it had like particles. If you wear it for longer than 2 hours, you could see a little particles. That's why I didn't repurchase that. But I saw these are Dr. Browners, and you know Dr. Browners is, I just hope this is the real Dr. Browners. That's what I'm scared of, but this is it. So it's the 10 self adhesive sanitary pad, super safe, absorbent, hygiene, new improved. So I guess it's supposed to be the big one. I didn't buy card, so I bought this. This is Brett's Minty Brett's mouthwash, antiseptic and anti-plaque. Hopefully it's really anti-plaque. So yeah, this, I'm gonna try it out and tell you guys if I like it or not. We're going back to chloride or glycerin. Yeah, I got this for my brother too. So I have the oat milk, the blue St. Ives. I'm actually planning to buy like the entire brand. So I bought this one, the pink lemon and mandarin orange. Let's see. This is necessary, so when the times where it's so hot.
No. Oh, don't cry. Are you?
Lagos, it's so hot in Lagos, and you can't sleep with mosquitoes singing, and then you want to use blanket to cover yourself. I mean, nobody's sleeping with blanket right now except you're staying in the cold room, which is why I got this. You need it to keep the house safe enough for you to sleep without cover. You need toothbrush. I mean, why not? I swap out my toothbrushes every month. I don't know, it might be too much or might be less. I don't know, but I feel comfortable swapping it out once a month. Regular, you know, for just a quick touch up. Yeah, I got to do soon. This is a different one. You guys are used to the green, lemon green, but this, I think this is a different one. Okay, I thought it was unscented, but I think it's scented. I'm going to use it and see for washing. Oh yeah, so I saw the Gavia. I mean, since I started using the sunblock, Anastasia, thank you. But since I started using the sunblock, I love this. So I saw they have a whole line of stuff. Even their face sheets, it's like 19 something. I think you should get that. You'll like it. And it's their activated charcoal beauty cream, shea butter. Now I don't rub creams. I am not a fan of creams. I don't rub cream on my skin. I'm sorry. I'm an oil person. I love to use oil. I would buy everything expensive and leave out cream. I don't know why, but it just happens. I do that every time. But so the size is shea butter. Oh well, this is what it looks like. So I bought it just in case, in case I ever go or travel and I can't take oil. This will be the best pick for me. Yeah, and it's small, so it's not something you can drop into your bag. I mean, I still have left, so I just decided to get the small one. And then I like to see stuff that have extra added advantage. I like to buy this. Like if I go and then the toothpaste is on sale and then they say they add something extra, I want to buy it. I don't know what this is, but they said it's a, oh, it's a hand sanitizer. Hey, good mama, sorry, or good morning. And it's always this regular, but I saw this lemon fresh. There's the one for Ankara, but I mean I don't have any Ankara, so I got these. Hopefully. And I think I like the smell of it, so yeah. This is for Aramen. So yeah, it's a Lucky for Men deodorant, body wash, skin freshener, odor neutralizer. Is a guy. Come on, Jimson. So yeah, next I had to buy always, because I was just scared in case Dr. Brown's doesn't work, we go back to regular always. And then this is Cotton Soft Maxi Thick. Obviously it's supposed to be the bigger size. It's a 2 times softer, longer. I mean, I'm big, so I need a longer one to wear. Hopefully this one works. I hope it works though. It's the first time I'm trying it out, so I hope it works. So I love bar soaps a lot. I like to do the whole bath gel first, or sometimes bar soap then bath gel. So I like to have a lot of bar soaps. I saw these K Brothers. Apparently K Brothers have come up with a lot of other, apart from the black one we are used to, the small orangey black one. So this is K Beauty, K Brother Babyface with AHE. It helps to get rid of acne, pimples, stimulates skin renewal process. So let's see, hopefully I'll use this for my face first before I use my normal foam cleanser. So after the foam cleanser, I use these. Pray for me that it works. I also got these Dr. Wang Savon. It's a traditional Chinese the Chinese medicine. Helps to fight tiredness, restore energy, but like vitality of the body, and made with harmful eucalyptus, anti-inflammatory properties. So they say it helps you relax. I want to try it. I know it's not good. I know. Yes, it contains, what do you guys call it again? But I want to do a shoe. I mean, I couldn't just buy one, could I? No. And then this is, I just bought this Colgate. I used the other Colgate, but I saw this one. It's a new one, different from the regular one. So it's dry fresh. Oh yeah, last soap. So this is the this is the baby face with gluta, and then this is the baby face with AHH. Guys, I don't know, this just came in and the person knows my house. Like, the guy didn't even call me, he just came inside and he was like, I know the place. So how? And now I'm confused. I don't know. I know I ordered something, but I mean, but they're not supposed to call me. Like, it's scary, don't you think so? Like, how often was I ordered from that place that they will know my house? Like, didn't they? And I'm pretty sure I've never ordered anything of recent, so I'm pretty sure I'm not even supposed to remember. And the same driver.
Oh my god!
It's a little somehow. What do y'all think? Well, let's see. I know I ordered I think a set of makeup. I believe it's the one. Oh. I've been trying to unbox this. It's almost as if I bought drugs. Like, why did you pack? It's just makeup. Okay, so you know I go live on Bigo and I need to look put together. I've been scared of going live because I've not had lashes for a while. As usual, lash glue. I don't know. I saw it. I just like the packaging. It's the powder. Noella Cosmetics compact powder. Oh, I hope it's my shade. Oh, it's a serious. This is not my shade. I had to bring down my exposure so you can see the products well. What's the name? What's this? I don't know what it is, guys. I said 80. Oh, colored liners. So I got some colored liners. I think it's more. Oh, I only got 2. I'm so broke. I only got 2. Yellow and orange. Contour highlighter and bronzer. Oh, it's a matte eyeliner. Okay, this is white. Oh, okay. I wasn't broke after all. This is white. What else? Oh, I think this is blue. Ooh, this is blue. So I have blue, yellow, white, and pink. Say, oh, I can do this and go out. What do you guys think? This is the full look. It's a okay. Yeah. I hope y'all like it. Check my Instagram. The link will also be in the description box. The IG page will be in the description box. Check it out and tell me whether you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and tell me if there's any of these products I'm going to try out. Tell me whether you like it or not.